okay with it, don't be dishonest, babe. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog. We are gonna go to the gym pretty soon, but first, you guys, Miss Queen 12330 herself, she was liking all my posts and watching my story. So I posted her reel because she is coming to LA. She's coming to LA to do her hot girl walk at Runyon Canyon. Today's January 10 and the hot girl walk is gonna be on January 21st at Runyon Canyon. So best believe I'm coming. I'm going there. But I reposted her reel talking about it. Let me just show you the proof. There you go. This is the one I reposted.
LA, you're next. I'm doing another hot girl walk.
She watched my story. I'm very excited to meet her, and that gave me a lot of motivation to do my 12330 today because we're gonna go to the gym. Okay, we're heading to the gym. It literally feels like, oh my god, hold on. It feels like I took a pre-workout, but I didn't. I just ate really good food. This is my first day back, so we'll see how it goes. I hope I don't die tomorrow, because I'm gonna be sore. I just know I'm gonna have a good workout today. Okay, we need some music. What have you guys been listening to lately? I've been listening to the SOS album, SZA's album, like the past month. Haven't really been listening to anything else much since, but let's get hype. I'm moving selfish, calling on my favorite hoes. I feel amazing. Oh my god, that's awesome. I just did something with my phone. I just had a really great workout. I did lower body, and honestly I'm really glad I did lower body because your girl was shaking. Did you see that in the video? I was shaking. I only did like 10-pound weights and then like everything else I did with the workout. I'll put the workout right here. This is what I did. I can also link it down below for you guys if you want to go see the actual TikTok. After that, I did a little bit of abs. I did some planks, and then I did like 5 minutes on the Stairmaster because I was already dying. I went hard today. I really am proud of myself. You should never underestimate those dumbbell workouts. Those are powerful. Like, I only did 10 pounds and I was shaking. I was trembling. I'm definitely gonna feel this tomorrow, maybe the next day. Normally, like, I feel the most sore on the second day. I didn't really want to film on my camera yet because I just, you know, I wasn't ready for that. It's been a whole month. It's been a whole month since I've been to the gym. So, you know, we're taking it little by little. Baby steps right now. I don't want to just whip out my camera, but I did film on my phone, thankfully. I really want to prepare myself for the hot girl walk with Lauren. I want to be walking with her, not all the way in the back, you know. I want to be with her, walking next to the queen herself. I'm gonna head home now. It's so cold. I walked out of there and I was like, fuck, I'm freezing. Finally home. I'm hungry, but there's no food yet. There's no dinner, so... Oh shit, what the fuck is that? So since there's no food, there's no dinner yet, I'm just gonna eat this chocolate brownie protein bar. It's chocolate brownie. I don't really like these. These aren't like that good, but like the chocolate one is okay. This has 21 grams of protein. 21 grams of protein is what we need right now. It's weird. I just hate it. It's kind of like eating, oh my god, Tootsie Rolls. It's like a Tootsie Roll. It's currently 11 o'clock in the morning. I think I'm gonna head to the office to just get some work and studying done there. So what I'm gonna do is just clean my room first, get everything ready and out the way, and then pack for the gym. So I'm just gonna clean my room real quick because it's a mess, and then head to the office.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. 'Cause you can't even hold your own. Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, and they say that I said for a stable friend of mine. 'Cause they know all this time that I was out on my own, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings was wrong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution